Hey guys, welcome back to Code with AI. This is the tutorial for non-coders. Okay, this is OpenAI API tutorial for non-coders who don't know any language like Python or any coding language. Okay, in this video, I'm going to generate a audio file from text.
The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. This simple fact has been observed by humans for thousands of years. In the heart of the city, there is a large park where people go to relax and enjoy nature. The park has a beautiful pond with ducks and swans. The library is a quiet and peaceful place where people go to read, study, and learn. The shelves are filled with books on every subject imaginable.
The train chugged along the tracks, carrying passengers to their destinations. The rhythmic sound of the wheels on the rails was soothing.
In the kitchen, the aroma of freshly baked bread filled the air. The loaves were golden brown and crusty on the outside and soft and warm on the inside.
The beach was a popular spot on a hot summer day. People were swimming in the ocean, building sandcastles, and playing beach volleyball.
You have just listened the 6 voice version from OpenAI TTS model like Onyx, Nova, Shimmer, and many more. Okay, if you want to know which speech you like, you can comment. Okay, I'm going to use Shimmer and Onyx for generating my audio file. Let's click on dashboard, and here you have to click on text to speech. Next, here is the option for autoplay. It will autoplay the audio generated. We are going to on it. Okay, here is the version in which we want the audio will be generated, like mp3 and etc. This is the speed for the audio, and here is the model TTS1 HD or TTS1. Okay, I'm going to select TTS1 HD. Next, we have to select the speech or voice for that. Okay, I'm going to select Shimmer. Here the 6 voices available for you. After that, you have to simply paste the text you want to generate into speech. Okay, this is my text. Okay, this is a long text for 26 seconds, I think. Okay, let's click on generate button, or you can click by control plus enter. Okay, let's click on generate. Okay, it's start generating the audio file.
Thank you for watching this video on Code with AI. If you found it helpful or interesting, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your support really makes a difference and helps me continue creating valuable content. If you have any thoughts, suggestions, or ideas for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is incredibly important and helps the channel grow. Thanks again for tuning in, and see you next time on Code with AI.
Guys, you have just listened the audio generated from TDS model. The audio generated from this AI. Okay, let's listen it again.
Thank you for watching this video on Code with AI. If you found it helpful or interesting, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your support really makes a difference and helps me continue creating valuable content. If you have any thoughts,
Okay, the voice was amazing. Let's me try the next voice, Onyx. Okay, let's click on generate, and it will give the audio play.
Thank you for watching this video on Code with AI. If you found it helpful or interesting, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your support really makes a difference and helps me continue creating valuable content. If you have any thoughts, suggestions, or ideas for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is incredibly important and helps the channel grow. Thanks again for tuning in, and see you next time on Code with AI.
Okay, the Onyx is a male voice, and it was also amazing. So guys, this is the TTS playground, so you can download any audio file from here in any audio format by choosing the 6 voices. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos.